Okay, guys. Hello, this is W Rex and Dominic. I probably shouldn't have done that. And today we are unboxing, reviewing this new Spino thing that I got off of Amazon. Open this thing. First time me opening it. Looked really cool on the website, so I just decided to get it because I can. We're going to be comparing it, as if you can hear me. God, I am not being gentle with this thing in the slightest. I am so sorry. Not being gentle with this thing. Here we go. The Spino. Let me just clean. We got the Spinosaurus toy from Life Lyco. This is no whatever it's called, advertising. It's just I got this thing off of Amazon and I want to review it. So let's just cut this thing off right here. Okay. So let's get this thing off of this. Trash. And look at this thing. God. So, Life Lyco. So the paint job is really detailed on this. I really recommend getting it because it is amazing. I've got to say, it's almost, I think, better than the Schleich Spinosaurus. Based on, detail and paint. Well, not detail, I'm, paint job. It looks really good. The mouth is the only posability thing and articulation you have. The mouth on the inside is painted too, so that's really good. Everywhere is painted on it. The feet are too, everything. So, the only thing I don't like about this thing is the eyes. They're not as detailed as I would have liked them to be. Yeah, you got everything. The teeth aren't individually painted, so there is some at the top. So they did not take their time on that. But I just really like this thing. Okay, let's compare it. Size. So we'll do that. iPad, can you focus? There we go. So we got that Spino. And then we got this Spino, the Schleich Spino. This guy has more detail on it, but he's a lot smaller in terms of size. But then here's my other Spino toy, the crap one from Jurassic World. Yeah, you really can't compare this thing to them. So, yeah. I honestly recommend getting, if you want good detail, go for this one. But if you want, good paint job, go for this one. I think this thing was, $18 on Amazon. And the Schleich one was a lot more, $20. So, yeah, I recommend this one. My iPad graphics were better. You would be able to see this thing in a lot better graphics. But it's not. So, I honestly like this thing a lot. You'll be seeing a showcase or video of me I don't know, something fighting. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, see you next time. Bye-bye.